Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay. Without wasting the time, let us go for the directly questions and directly start the today's class because today I have started in the afternoon so that it will be good for you to have the some part of it means you can learn it better. So I have taken in the afternoon, but tomorrow again it will be in the morning only, so don't worry about that. Today I am taking in the afternoon, but tomorrow it will be in the morning, so it will be good to see in the morning itself. So let us go for the today's class. Before going to start, yes, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. So it is already good evening, so good evening everyone. So I will take in the morning from the tomorrow class, no problem. So today only one day I have taken the afternoon. Hi everyone. Hi. So let us start today's class. Yes, in the yesterday's class we have discussing about the AP. Again today also we are going to learn the AP, some questions which I have taken, which is the from the CBSE, ICSE syllabus. I have taken some questions. That questions will be given to you now, and you have to solve them, and you have to help me out how to solve them. Not only I am going to solve them, you have to help me out, and you have to solve them also. So let us see how many of you able to solve this. Tomorrow similarly at 11:15 onwards. Okay, 11:15 onwards I will start. Not today. Tomorrow at 11:15 morning only I am going to take the class, not in the afternoon. I'll giving taking in the morning only, my morning timing only. Okay, so I have already started for the class 10 also. Yes, good evening everyone. I have already started for the class 10 this year. Those who are studying in class 10 means class 9 past class 10 students, for them also I am taken the class. For that purpose, for them it will be 10 to 11 and 11:15 to 12 o'clock, and or what it will be, that is for you. So 11:15 onwards it will start for you from tomorrow. So today is the last day for the AP lesson. After this completion I will move on to the surface area. As I have told, today it is the AP lesson, the third day today. So it is 2.3 I have written because second time I'm taking the arithmetic progression, and this is the third day continuation. So tomorrow onwards I will start the surface area. So surface area very important lesson we have. So learn that surface area lesson, and doubt you have you can send, otherwise I will explain what you have to go through it. So let us start today's class. Welcome to PSM Perfect Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumanti. Yes. So here you see the lesson, the doubt clearing class, arithmetic progression 2.3. I have written 2.3 refers to, it is the second time I am taking the arithmetic progression. It is the third class continuously I am taking, and this is the ICSE question. So here we have the ICSE syllabus question, and yesterday I have told solve this and send it to me. Who will solve the first? No, I will tell their names. So according to that, this question was given, and this question is solved by the some students. Few students have solved, but I have got first one answer from the actually it is the same timing. The three members have sent the answer in the same time, means within a 1-2 minutes gap. 1-2 minutes gap only they have given. The three students have taken. Afterwards several students have solved it and assigned, but most importantly first three students they have sent is, first one is Varmaha Lakshmi. She have sent from Murdeshwar. She have sent it first the answer, and second one sent it by Sri Lakshmi from Kumta. She have sent that answer for the second, and third is Mantasha from Murdeshwar once again. The three members have solved this problem and have sent it to me. So that is the first three members those who are solved. Again today also I am going to give the one more question that you have to solve, and who will send it to me first, I will take their name. Okay, so henceforth remember this, one question will be given and you have to solve that and you have to send. If you will solve, that name will be called in the next class. Okay, so let us go for the class. So how to solve this problem? How many of you have tried this question? If number n minus 2, 4n minus 1 and 5n plus 2 are in AP, find the value of n and it's the next two terms. How many of you have solved? So three members have already solved. I have told their name. One is Varma Lakshmi, Sri Lakshmi and Mantasha. So leaving that, anyone who have solved this problem is, you can say it to me. Yes. Anyone have solved? And leaving that three members. If you have solved, just you can say your name and you got the answer or what, just we will see. Okay. So how to solve this problem? So first one, the thing is we have the three terms. First term is n minus 2. Second term is 4n minus 1 and the third term is 5n plus 2. So the three terms we have to take separately. Take that first term as n by n minus 2. Next term is 4n minus 1 and the third term is 5n plus 2, which are in AP. So what you can do is here you can take A1, this is A2 and this is A3. How many of you have came for the morning class? Because morning I have started AP lesson only for the this year 10 students. In that I have told, when you are finding any value, see it is in AP they have given, so something will be equal. What will be equal here? The equal things will be the difference between them, because you know AP is nothing but the difference must be equal, means D value will be common difference will be equal. So D is equals to, yes, A2 minus A1, and similarly the D is nothing but A3 minus A2 also, means it will be equal. So we can compare these two and we can solve this problem. So how to solve that? So D value we have, D value is something A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1 means 4n minus 1, that is A2 value, minus of A1 value is n minus 2. So this is the first equation, that is how you can find the D. Similarly the second one equation also, see this D and this D will be equal, so I can equate them because D is not thing difference, common thing it will be. So I can write down A2 minus A1 equals to A3 minus A2. So using this rule we can solve this problem. So A3 here, A3 value is 5n plus 2 and A2 value is 4n minus 1. So we can go with this. See here, this A2 value is here I have written. Next I have written A1 value I have written here. Again A3 value, so A3 value is here. And next again A2 value once again, so A2 value I have written here. So it must be equal because D value, because common difference will be same. So subtract them. Before subtracting, use the rule 4n minus 1, n you multiply inside, so you have to put the bracket minus n plus 2, that is equals to 5n plus 2, this minus n multiply inside, so minus 4n minus of minus plus 1. So here the calculation part, 4n minus n is 3n, 2 minus 1 is plus 1, that is equals to 5n minus 4n is n, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we will bring all the n terms on side. So I will take little bit up. So n term is here, that n term I can bring it to the left hand side, it will become 3n minus n, that is equals to 3. This plus 1 if I shift it will be minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, that is nothing but 2n is equals to 3n minus n is 2n. Okay, then we will have n is equals to 2 divided by 2. This 2 we can shift it to the other side, it will divide. So 2 ones are 2 ones are, so n value will become 1. So n value will become 1 for you. So this is your answer. So n value you found. The n value is nothing but 1 as your answer. So very importantly you found the n value. So you have to find the next one. So yes, so you have to find the next term. So what is the problem you have, all of you? Either it is not visible, I can see this clearly here because I have started one more lively I have seen that and it is clear for me. So it may be a network issue, just to check that network issue or what, because for me the thing is clear, nothing problem. Okay, when I am writing you can't see clearly. Okay, it will be visible, it is possible. No, I am seeing here clearly. Okay, let us see that one. Now we have to find the three terms. N minus 2 we have to find. N minus 2 value will become, n value is 1 minus 2, it will be n minus 2 equals to, that is n value is 1, I have taken 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is how much? Minus 1. So n minus 2 value will be minus 1. The first term will be minus 1. Second one is 4n minus 1. 4 into n value is 1 and minus 1 we have. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. The second term is 4n minus 1, that is 3. And the last one is 5n plus 2, that is equals to 5 into 1, and plus 2 we have. 5 ones are 5, plus 2 is 7. So third term is 7. So here you can see you can get the three terms. The three terms you have found as minus 1, 3 and 7. That three terms we have got. So we have to write it down that first. Okay, I will check it once. Wait 1 second. Here it is, everything is clear. The first term is minus 1, second term is 3, and last term is 7, and so on. So we have to find the next term they have given. So it is better. First, A1 is here, A2 is here, A3 is here. We have to find A4 and we have to find the A5. Let us find for the A4. A4 can be found by, A4 is nothing but the difference you find. First you find the difference. Here A plus 3d you have to find. So you have to find the d value. So let us go for the d. D is nothing but subtract any one, that is 3 minus of minus 1 or 7 minus 3. So d value will become A3 minus A2 you can do. So it is 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4 is the d value. And obviously A value already we know, that is minus 1. Substitute and find the answer. Minus 1 plus, yes, 3 into 4 as the d value, minus 1 plus 12. So it will become plus 11. So A4 value is 11. Similarly, A5 can be written as A4 plus D also you can write it down. A4 plus D also you can write down. So 11 plus 4, that will be 15. Okay, you can use the formula. So first term is minus 1, second term is 3, next term is 7, fourth term is 11, and the last term is 15, and that is your answer. These are the fourth and the fifth term. So like this way, you can find the answer for your question. So this is your answer, how we have found the yesterday's question, what I have given the homework. So like that way only you can find the one more question we have, that is ICSE syllabus and CBSE syllabus also. We have some more questions. So this is the answer. Anyone have a doubt here, you can ask me. It is not a difficult question, very easy question. But the thing is, you have to understand the question. If you don't know how to solve this or what it is, then it is not possible. So try to find it properly and try to answer it properly. Okay. Anyone have a doubt in this question? No. So let us go to the next question. So AP lesson, there are a few questions I have taken. So just you take down that question and make sure that to solve them. Try to solve them, because very important question. Just I will make the just I will give you the glance. So just you take that questions and try to solve them. Very important question. I will give that question. Take us, if you want, you can take the screenshot of it and afterwards you can solve. This is a question. The sum of the first n terms of an AP is 5n square plus 3n. Then mth term is 168. Find the value of m. Also find the 20th term of this AP. So this is the 2013 question. CBSE board, they have given this question. So you can refer this question. You can take write down this question or make a note of it, and then you can solve and you can send it to me. It is a good question. Just to see, these are very important question, because this question is called as, it is from the CBSE board question. Okay, so you can understand it. So see that question properly. The sum of first n terms of an AP is 5n square plus 3n. Okay, and the mth term is 168. Find the value of m. Also find the 20th term of this AP. So this is the question. You can solve. How to solve this? Just I will give the glance for you if you want, but totally if you will solve it will be better. So this is also important question, because like so question they may ask. Here they have given a sum of first n terms of an AP. See here they have given sum of first n terms of an AP. Means this value what they have given here, it is nothing but Sn. Sn is equals to 5n square plus 3n. So that one we have to understand. Next they have given the mth term. See it is not mth term, mth term. Am value they have given, th they have given, so it is am, not Sn. Am value they have given as 168. Okay, and they have told you to find m value, and also they have told you to find the 20th term. So you have to find the 820 also. There are two things you have to find, not only one. Here you have to find the two things. How you can find? You have to use your brain now. So how to find? Using these two clues. The two clues over here is nothing but this one, Sn value and am value. Using this two clue, you have to solve this problem. Whether it is easy, whether it is difficult, it is depending on how you will think. So what is the first step you will think? What may be the first step? How you can solve this? It looks like very simple, not difficult, but you have to use your logic. Sir, AM means AN only. Yes, AM means AN only. But here not that N and M value are same. N and M value are not same. N values differ and M value is different. Here the N value may be 50 and M value may be 38. Maybe. We don't know. See, values are different. So we can't take that both are equal. Both are different. So how to solve this question? So whenever you are solving this question, first thing you have to keep it in your mind, when they will give in terms of n square, means Sn value in terms of n related to n, they will give n square, 3n, 4n, like this equation form. When they will give, first you have to think, you have to put some value for this n. You can substitute any value for n to get the value, means to find the s value. So sum of first term we will find. So sum of first term means here n value will turns to 1. Means we are finding the S1. Means we have to substitute the n value as what? 1. So yes, first we will put the n value as 1. So here you can write it down. Let n is equals to 1. So we will go for S1. S1 is equals to 5 into n square means 1 square, because when n value we have taken the 1. So 1 square into 3 into 1. 5 into 1 square is 1, plus 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5, plus 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. So here we found that S1 value is equals to 8. So will you say what it means? You have taken n value as a 1 and you got S1 value. What is this S1 refers to? It is a something. It is useful for you. This S1 value is useful for you. You know that S1 is nothing but it is the sum of the first term. Sum of the first term means there is only one term. So you can take this as what? A1 also. Because if you will take 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Sum of the first term refers to. What is the sum of first term? First term is 3. Yes, first term is 3. It is nothing but A1 also. So this S1 is equals to 8 is nothing but it is also equals to A1. Yes, very good. It is also equals to what? A1. Remember that. So here we have found not only one term, we have found the two things, that is S1 value also, A1 value also. Now similarly we will go through the second one. So what is the second one? Let n value is equals to 2. We will substitute the n value as 2 because we have to find now AP. Without the AP, without the D value, without the A value, we can't find what is A 20th term or M term, because AM they have given. We don't know the A value and we don't know the D value, means it is impossible. So we must know A and D value, then only we can find what is the M value, what is the 20th term is. So here successfully we have found the first term. First term is nothing but A value. First term of A value is nothing but 8. So A value already found. Now A value is not a problem. A value we got as 8. But now we have to find the D value. D value can be found using the A2 minus A1. We have know that what is A1. So now we have to find what is A2. To find that a2, we will substitute the n value as what? 2. So n value is 2 in this equation. In this equation, put that n value as 2. What will happen? S2 is equals to 5 into 2 square plus 3 into 2. So according to this, let us calculate. 5 into 2 square is nothing but 4. 3 2s are 6. 5 4s are 20 plus 6. So total value will become 26. So here you see successfully we have calculated the S2 value. S2 value is nothing but 26. So I hope it is visible to you. Yes, it is visible, I think so. Okay, it is visible now. So S2 value we found, that is nothing but 26. So why we require this S2 value? S2 value is important. Why the S2 value is important? So anyone will you say? Why that S2 value is important for us? S2 value will not income in anything. When any one of this, when you are finding S2 value is no need. But S2 value is required to find something. Just now I have given the glance for you. So already we found the A value, that is A1. A1 is nothing but A value, that is equals to already got as 8. Now we have to find A2 value to find the D value, because D is 2 is nothing, D is equals to A2 minus A1. A1 value we already know, but A2 value we require. We can find the A2 value using this S2. How? Yes, that is nothing but yesterday I have explained to you, that is Sn minus Sn minus 1 is nothing but An value. Means if you want to find the A2 value, you must know S2 value minus S1 value. So successfully we know what is S1, S2 value. Here we have. And S1 value also we know. So we can find the A2 value very easily by the formula A2 is equals to S2 minus S1. Or if you don't know this formula, you can go with the simple method. S2 is nothing but A1 plus A2. First term and second term we have to add. Already you know that A1 value is 8. A2 value can be found because S2 value is 26. So if you want to find the A2 value, 8 you shift it to the other side. 26 minus 8 is nothing but 18. So A2 value is 18. Same thing we will do here. So S2 value is 26, S1 value is 8. Here only we have. So subtract them and you will get the A2 value as what? 18. Same answer. Any one method you can follow. This method or this method. Any one method you follow and both will be the correct answer. S2 is equals to A1, the first term plus second term. And S2 value we know, already got it, 26. And A1 value is over here, that is 8. So A1 value is, we bring this side, 26 minus 8 is 18. So that is A2 value, or direct yesterday which you have taught formula, that formula you can go through it. And those who have missed yesterday's class, you can see in the YouTube link. Okay, YouTube, in my YouTube you have already have the link there, you can go and you can check that video. And any one method you follow, so it is better to follow this method. So now you see you have got A2 value and A1 value also. So A1 value already you know, so therefore we can find the D value. So common difference can be found. Yes, very good. So several members have already found. So now we require D value to find. D value is nothing but A2 minus A1. A2 value is 18. A1 value is 8. So D value will become 10. So D value, common difference is 10. So using this we can follow that D is equals to 10. What is required? And A value already here. A value is equals to 8. That is also we know. So now we can find this M value and A20. So first we will go for AM value. Means AM value is equals to, that is the given, we can find out. AM is equals to A plus M minus 1 into D. Which is this formula you have applied? You may ask. I am not applied any other formula. It is simple formula. AN formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. But in place of N, I have substituted M because here they have given M. Here they have given M. See here, I will show you. Here they have given M, no? So therefore I have taken M. Okay. So AM, that is AM value already given, but I have to find M value. So yes. So let us find the M value. So AM value already given as what? 168. So 168 will substitute in place of that. A value already know 8 plus the m value we don't know, and d value is 10. So this 8 we can shift it to the other side. It will become 168 minus 8, that is equals to m minus 1 into 10. Don't multiply the 10 inside now only, because it will be shifted that side. So it will be 160, that is equals to m minus 1 into 10. So 10 we can shift it to the other side. It will divide 160 by 10, that is equals to m minus 1. So it will be 16, that is equals to m minus 1. Minus 1 is shifted because minus 1 is the constant term. So plus 1 it will be, that is equals to m. So 16 plus 1 is 17, that is your m value. So 17th term of an given AP is 168 is the answer. 17th term of an AP is how much? 168. So this is your 17th term. So m value is 17. So like this way we found the 17th term, that is 168, which term we have found. So similarly, again we have to move one more thing they have told you to find. See, this is a CBSE question. There will be lots of things they will tell you to find. So now we have to find the 20th term. So according to the question, they have told you to find the 20th term also. So let us go for A20. A20 direct formula, A plus 19D. You can substitute. A value already know 8. Here we have, and D value is 10. So 19, yes, 19 into 10. So 8 plus 190. So 8 plus 190 is 198. So 20th term of an given AP is 198. So successfully we have found the m value. Also we found the 20th term. But very importantly, you remember any type of a question may be given. You have to remember one thing. The thing is, you have to find whatever may be the thing. You have to find A and D value compulsorily. Okay, any equation may be given, you have to find the A and D value compulsorily, then only you can find any term. You can find the sum of what 30 term, first 30 term, or the 30th term, or 100th term, anything you can find. But the thing is, you must know A and D. So first you find that A and D, okay, using the given equation. So this is the way how you can find. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask. Not a problem, you can ask quickly. Otherwise I will go for one more question, just I will give the glance for that question. So now onwards it make a note of it, because very important questions we have now. So just you make a note of the question, because lots of questions are there now. So these are important, solve them. If you have a doubt, put it in a social media, in WhatsApp you can put it once. If you have a doubt in that question, I will solve. Otherwise we will continue. Okay, so you are okay. Anyone have a doubt means you can ask, otherwise I will continue with this next question. No doubt? Okay, no doubt it seems. Let us go for the next question. So next question, make sure you take down the screenshot or write down the question. It will be better, because it will take time, I know. So once all of you take this question. Okay, this is a question. The first and the last term of an AP is 8 and 350 respectively. Okay, if its common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is the sum? This is given in 2011 in CBSE syllabus. They have given in 2011. This question is asked. So there will be a chance of asking this year for you also. So take a note of it. Here what they have given is, they have given the first term and the last term. Remember, the first term is given as A1 is 8, and also they have given A1 is given, that is equals to A2. Similarly, they have given AN, that is the last term they have given, that is 350. The first and the last term of an AP are 8 and 350 respectively. If its common difference, so again here they have given the common difference also, D is equals to 9. So you have to find how many terms are there, and actually it is easy to find. Okay, and also they have told you to find how many terms are there, and also you have to find its sum of that all the terms. How many terms are there, you have to find the sum of. So how many terms are there, you have to find means an value is already given. Substitute the an value. and you can find the answer. 350 will be an value, and a value is also given, n minus 1 is not given, d value is 9, and do this and you can find 350 minus 8, that is equal to n minus 1 into 9. 8 I have shifted to the other side. 342 is equals to n minus 1 into 9. So 342 divided by 9 is equals to n minus 1. So 3 ones are 9 ones are table, you can go. So how much it will come, just to see. 9 ones are 9, 3 are 27, 7 is left, 72, so 8. So the 38 is equals to n minus 1. So minus 1 if you shift, it will become 38 plus 1, that is equals to n, it will be 39. So n value will become 39. Very good, Lakshmi. So n value is 39. We are going to get the n value, and Mantash also 39 we will get the answer. So this is your first part, because they have not told you to find only n term, they have told you to Sn also. So Sn formula you can apply. So Sn formula, when you are applying, remember n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, this is the formula you will apply. But make it simple, because in the question they have given the first and the last, 8 and 350. So you know this formula you can apply and you will get the answer, but you can go with the Sn is equals to n by 2 into a plus an. First term and the last term is given already, so you can go with this formula. So n value is 9, sorry, 39 by 2, 39, no, 13 by 9 by 2. The a value here is 8, and an value is 350. So according to that, 39 divided by 2 into 358. So 2 ones are 2 17s are 34, 1 is left, 9s are 179 to 39 you do, and what is the answer? No, that is your sum of that, how much term? S 50, no, S 39. Okay, okay. Why this formula? You are asking why this formula to apply? Because if you will apply this formula also, you are going to get the answer. This formula, yesterday I have explained to you, not yesterday, first day before yesterday, I have explained to you. Yes, day before yesterday I have explained to you why this formula is. This formula is for the first term and the last term. If you know, you can apply this formula. Already you know the formula of the first term, you know, and last term you know. If you know the first and last term, you can find. Yes, Sri Lakshmi has given an answer for me. I think it is correct. So just to check that all of you whether that answer is correct or what. That is 39 into 179. She has given 6981. Yes, 6981 may be the correct answers, because 39 9 and 81 you will get, and here 39 9 is 160. Yes, 61. Yes, it is proper. 6981, correct. 6981 will become the sum of the 39. So this is your final answer. If you do this much, you will get the marks of 3 to 4 marks. It is not that it is a 4 marks question, it is 3 to 4 marks question. It may be asked. And this is also have solved. It is not difficult for you. I hope it is easy. Any doubt means you can ask, not a problem. Okay, similarly one more question I will give you, just to make a note of it now, and again I will not solve, because we will finish today early, because in the next class we will, tomorrow class we can explain it nicely, because AP, what is the extra question these are, it is also from the CBSE board only. Just to take the question, so all of you take this question, you can take the screenshot. If you have already taken the screenshot, you tell me, so I will go for the. So here they have an arithmetic progression 5, 12, 9, so 19, so on to 50 terms we have. See here, we have 50 terms. So here 50 refers to what? What do my 50 terms refers to? What is 50 refers to? What do you mean by 50 refers to here? A50, very good. It is nothing but there are n terms, that 50 refers to n value. So there are 50 terms in n value, it is 50. So you have to find the value of A50. Find the last term they have given. So we have to find the A50 value. And also they have told you to find the sum of the last 15 terms. Okay, very interesting. Sum of the last 15 terms means, it is a, I think it is a your textbook question, but they have asked in CBSE once. Last 50 terms means from A50 you have to go back side. A49, A48, A47, A46, and like this way you have to go back and you have to find that answer. So I hope it is easy for you. If it is not easy, there are two methods to solve this. Remember, there are two methods to solve this. For A50 you are going to find, yes, you are going to find A50. So A50 maybe I don't know what is the value. So here the difference between them is 5, 12, 19 we have, and so on we have. Difference is 7. So difference over here is 7 and A value is 5 here. So according to that we can go with the formula A50 is equals to A plus 49D. A value is 5 and D value is 7 because 12 minus 5 is 7. So according to this 5 plus 49 7s are 57s are 350, 357 minus 343 it will be. Okay, 343 we are going to get. Yes, no, 7 for 28, yes, correct, 343. And so answer will be 348. So A50 value will become 348. So there we have got the last term as 348. Okay, that is 50th term. A50th term is 48. Now they are asking you how to find, yes, you have to find the sum of the 15 terms from backside. It is very interesting. So like this way question when it will come, yes, when it will come like this way question, remember one thing. I will tell you, remember one thing. Okay, there are two methods of solving this. The first method, you have to find the sum of A50 term to A36 term. Remember A36 term because from 36 you count 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 43 till 50 it will be 15 terms. It will be 15 terms. Means you have to go with the sum of last 15 terms of given AP. Given AP is equals to S50 minus S35 we have to do. Because yesterday I have told you about this. If you want to find the sum of 50, the last 15 term, you have to take the last term till which one you have to leave. So, for example, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6 we have to find. If I want to find only sum of these two terms, I have to take as S6 because first I have to find sum of all, then I have to minus sum of 4. So we will get the last two terms sum. Okay, first you have to find all sum, then we have to minus the other. It is like this way. So I will show you. First we have to find all the sum. Okay, like this. So all the sum we have to find. Then we have to go through sum of first 4 terms we have to minus. When you will minus, remaining is A5 and A6. That much only. So this is the way we can find, okay, the sum. That is the first method. Similarly, we can apply for S50 minus S35 is the sum of A36 to A50. Second method is write down this equation. See here the first number, last number, the A50th term is 348. The 348 you write down first. Yes, you have to take the last term 348 first. Then you have to take the previous 7 difference, so 341, and it will go so on. So now take that A value is 348. Take the A value is 348. So A value will become a 348. D value will become 341 minus 348. 341 minus 348 is minus 7. So D value will become minus 7. So now you apply the SN formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. So it is also a simple method. Make that whole AP only reverse way. Write down reverse way. So 348 I have written, then 341 I have written, then it will come how much? 19 it will come, then 12 it will come, then it will come 5, like this it will go. So I have written reverse way. Now A will become 348 and D will become minus 7, 341 minus 348 minus 7. Substitute that value, 15 minus 2 into 2 into 248 is the A value, sorry 348 is the A value. N value is 15 we have to find, S15 we have to find. So 15 minus 1 is 14 into D value is minus 7. So according to that 15 by 2. Okay, I will tell you, don't worry. If you are not getting it, don't worry, I will tell you. So here, no, first of all, so this is the method you can follow and you can find 348. The 1 second I will calculate this. 696 it will be 648 double the 96 minus 14 7 the yes 14 7 for the 28 2 is left 7 on the 7 8 9 so 98 so it will become 15 by 2 into when you will do the minus 500 and 600 598 it will be so 2 ones are 2 twos are 4 2 2 to the 4 of 19 it will remain 9 the 18 carry 1 9 the 299 into 15 what is 299 into 15 just to go for it 4485 maybe yes correct answer you got the correct answer or 4500 you got okay let us see what is the answer you are going to. So here you see there are two methods I have told you. There are two methods. The first method is so here question you see you are finding the sum of the last 15 terms, not the sum of the first 15 terms. You are finding the sum of last 15 terms. When you are finding the sum of the last 15 terms, it is not that you have to go with the sum of the first 15. You have to go with the sum of the last 15. So last 15 means what? The last term is 50th term. The 50th term over here is what? A1, A2, A3, so on till A50 how to find. But the 50th term, from the 50th term, we have to find the sum of it. That is 15 terms sum we have to find. So before the A50, which number it will come? Before the 50, which number it will come? Before A50, it will come A49. Then it will come A48, A47, A46, A45, A44, so on it will continue. If you want, I will write it down. Then A43, A42, A41. So I will rub this. Again it will continue. A40, A39, A38, A37, A36, A35, and it will go till A1, A2 and A3 and so on. It will continue like this, it will cover. Now we have to find, yes, now we have to find the sum of the last 15 terms of first term. From the last we have to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 terms. Sum of the last 15 terms is from where I have to start? From A36 to A50 I have to count. So leaving that everything I have to do. So for that purpose the formula to find sum of the last 15 terms is given by first we have to find the sum of all the 50 terms by S50. In that we have to minus what? In that we have to minus from A1, A2, A3, A4 still A35 we have to minus because that value is not needed. So we have to minus S35 till 35. So it is the formula we are going to use. Or you can go with the simple method reversing the whole AP and then you can find. So according to this 2 times we have to apply the SN formula, that's all. So which one is better? You can go with that S50 minus S35 you can do, or you can go with the one more method direct reversing the whole number. So which one is better for you? Reversing the whole AP or S50 minus S35, which is better? That is your choice. But the answer will be same. If you do with any method, the answer will be same. Yes. This is the way how you can solve this problem. Okay. So similarly, one more question we have, just to make a note of it. One more question take down, and yes, reversing is very easy comparatively. You take down one more question. This is also from the CBSE board in the year 2012. They have asked this question, and you can solve this. It is not the difficult question which what you have. Very easy question, so you can do it. Find the 16th term of AP. The 16th term of an AP is one more than the twice its 8th term, and 12th term is of an AP is 47. And then find the nth term of an AP. So This is the one question which they have given. So this one is also easy kind of, so you can find the question answer for this, not a problem. Okay, this is one question. You can take a screenshot of it because you solve this as a homework today and send it to me. I will see how many of you will do. Okay, so tomorrow send it to me first. Who will send it first? I want to see. So next question. You have written this or taken the screenshot? Okay, one more question I will give you. Take down this question also. One more question we have. Okay, one more question we have. The last question for today. This is one more question. Just to take this one more screenshot. The similar kind. The both the questions are similar kind question. Solve them both. The 17th term of an AP is 5 more than the twice its 8th term, and the 11th term of an AP is 43. Find the nth term. Both are similar kind question. Nothing difference we have. So both of them you solve and send it to me. I will see you to see this tomorrow. And tomorrow class is at 11 a.m. Okay, so don't miss the class. Try to attend and tell your friends to join. See you tomorrow. Take care. Any doubt if you have, you can ask, because tomorrow I am going to start the surface area and volume lesson, and very important lesson, surface area and volume. Okay, see you tomorrow. Take care then. If you don't have any doubt, please subscribe my channel and tell your friends to join also. Take care. Thank you, one and all.